If your desk looks like a bowl of spaghetti tangled around a brick, it's time to move toward a more civilized workspace. Welcome back. If you're trying to power a MacBook, an iPhone, and 3 desktop accessories without blocking every outlet in your room, the Anker 9 in one charging station, 100W, is the definitive desk organizer for 2026. This isn't just a power strip. It is a centralized energy hub. The standout feature for 2026 is the 100W power delivery system split across 4 USB-C and 2 USB-A ports. While most strips force you to choose between charging your laptop or your phone, the Anker allows you to push a full 100W to a single USB-C port, enough to fast charge a MacBook Pro or a high-end Dell XPS, while still leaving 3 AC outlets free for your monitor, speakers, or a lamp. What really makes this Anker station the gold standard for 2026 is its invisible design. It features an ultra-slim, 45 degrees flat plug and a 5-foot flat cable, allowing you to hide it behind the tightest bookshelves or desks without pushing them away from the wall. Safety hasn't been sidelined either. The unit includes a 300J surge protector and Anker's proprietary 8-point safety system, which monitors for overvoltage and short circuits 24/7. At roughly the size of a coffee mug, it's arguably the most efficient way to turn a single wall outlet into a 9-device battle station. Click the link below for the best price and finally reclaim your desk real estate. If this breakdown helped you find the perfect piece for your home office, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the gear that actually simplifies your life. See you in the next one.